Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lorraine, and my channel is Lo's Life and Lessons. And we talk about a variety of things here. I don't know if you'll be interested in this topic today. I'm really glad you clicked on the video. Today, I'm going to give you a crash course on free radicals and antioxidants. You know, I just find that we throw around these words and we throw around these terms, and I, for one, don't really know what these two words mean. I don't really know what they are. I know they're an important part of our body, of our health. So I decided I would dig into Mr. Google and look up some information. Now, I found an article on the Healthline website, and I have put the link in the description box for you if you want to read the whole thing. And I have a few notes that I'm going to refer to because I can't possibly remember all these details. And this is very basic stuff, but still, it clarified a lot of things for me, and I hope that you will enjoy it. First of all, we'll start with free radicals. They are compounds in our bodies, and they are good things. They do good for our bodies. But if there are too many of them, that apparently is not good. And so that's where antioxidants come in, because antioxidants fight them off if there are too many. And our body does produce antioxidants. Sometimes we need more, and we add them in our food, but we'll get into that a little bit later. The good thing about free radicals is two things. Our immune system uses them to fight off infection, and they are a factor in regulating cell growth. But if the levels of free radicals are too high, they can do harm to our body, and they're linked with heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. So our body needs to maintain a good balance between free radicals and antioxidants. And without that balance, free radicals can cause serious harm to our body, including death. When free radicals outnumber the antioxidants, it can cause a state called oxidative stress. And prolonged oxidative stress can lead to an increased risk of negative health outcomes such as cardiovascular disease and certain types of cancer. I'm going to read my notes here. It can cause damage to the DNA and increase the risk of cancer, and some scientists have theorized that it plays a pivotal role in the aging process and sometimes even leads to cell death. Certain factors can promote excessive free radical formation, leading to a state of oxidative stress. And some of these factors are air pollution, cigarette smoke, alcohol intake, toxins, high blood sugar levels, a high intake of polyunsaturated fatty acids, radiation, including excessive sunbathing, bacterial, fungal, or viral infections, excessive intake of iron, magnesium, copper, or zinc, too much or too little oxygen in the body, intense and prolonged exercise, which causes tissue damage, and excessive intake of antioxidants such as vitamins C and E. Antioxidants are essential for the survival of all living things, and as I've said, our body does produce its own antioxidants, but we get a lot of our antioxidants from our foods, and these foods in particular, and I'm going to read my notes. Fruits, vegetables, and other plant-based foods, and several vitamins such as vitamins E and vitamin C. Antioxidant preservatives also play an important part in preserving the food, increasing its shelf life. Berries, green tea, coffee, and dark chocolate are good sources of antioxidants. Meat products and fish also contain antioxidants, though to a lesser degree than the fruits and vegetables, especially the berries. And of course, there are antioxidants in our skincare, especially vitamin C. And there is an article called "Why is Topical Vitamin C Important for Skin Health?" put out by Harvard University. And I've put the link in the description box for you to read. It's really interesting. So there you have your crash course on free radicals and antioxidants. Well, who knew? I didn't know all these little details. It's so interesting. And you know, again, these wonderful superfoods, they do so much good for our body in so many different ways. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I do invite you to do so. And if you like this type of content, please let me know, because I love doing research on these type of things. Thank you again for joining me. I love you all. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.